Michael. There you go.
Unlock it.
Okay, hold the camera. Video it.
How? Just go.
This is looking. It's already videoing. It's open. It's unlocking me.
Oh, it's all in your car.
Oh my god. Please. Look at this. My poor car.
Where did that come off of? Look at this tire.
This is so much fun. I'm gonna break my car apart.
Look at this.
Oh my god! Michael!
That's so big.
How thick this is?
Hang on, we're gonna try this door too. I can't even find the handle is completely.
Look how thick this is. Oh my god. Michael's gonna try to get in.
Give me your key so I can, cause I can't.
My favorite piece right here.
I'm gonna break your door handle off. We gotta do it the other way. It's a lot thicker on this side. Okay, crawl in and.
Oh, like come out?
Yeah, you gotta open it from this way. It's so thick on this side. Oh my god. Oh my god!
My baby. Oh wait, this is amazing.
Oh.
Michael just got attacked by the car.
It's fighting back.
And now we're gonna break it apart.
It's too thick.
Look how freaking...
Look, you can see the seams of the car.
Oh my god, that is so crazy.
Okay, my hands are really cold.
You can drop it. Oh my god, look how thick that is. How much freaking ice was on my car. So much for getting a car wash the day before.
Yeah.
People probably think we're destroying somebody else's car.
That car had a tree branch sticking out of the hood.
Are you serious? I didn't see it. Oh. This is not going anywhere. It's sliding.
Suck it.
It won't come off.
Come here. Look, I'm gonna key your car thing.
Michael finds this amusing.
There's so much of it.
It won't come
My
off.
fingers, I can't feel them.
You can put on one of my gloves. In there. This is Michael's nice riding.
The tree just fell over.
Apparently a tree just fell over somewhere over there. This is my parking lot.
This car is never gonna get in. Look at these door handles.
This car over here is screwed because they have a button that you push in.
And it's
and
like,
you can't push it in.
there's no way they're gonna get in.
Maybe like an
Because
I don't
like
know.
yours you could like break it off and then pull, but
This is my car. This is how thick the ice is. Holy crap. I'm gonna try and open my trunk.
I'm gonna break it, I can't do it. Yeah, look how thick that is on the... That's not coming on.
Oh, that's depressing. But this is fun. Look
That's
at that.
at least 2 inches.
There's my band sticker. What you can't see is how lumpy it freaking is. It's like a mountain.
It doesn't come out on the camera very well. Look, it's just ridiculous.
I can't break me. These are so... Oh. Maybe I can. I'm spying on you.